Hi everyone, this is part 1 of my bee
Hey
swarm
guys,
video. So today we
just
had a bee swarm.
going to walk through a swarm. I always get very excited when there is a swarm coming in because it's just beautiful. There, can you hear the bees walking through the swarm? Looks like a big swarm and wants to go in this second hive. I'm literally in the swarm. So active. You can smell the honey they have brought with them. Waiting to go in the hive. I'm in the swarm and I can smell the honey, and there are hundreds of bees around me. So I'm back again literally after 2 minutes, and it's really calmed down, and that's because they know that the weather is going to turn. So this was their window to come to their new home, and it's calming down, and they're all waiting for their turn to go in the hive. And let's go closer and you'll see it. So you can see there's a traffic jam and they want to go in. They want to go in here in this. This is their entrance to the hive inside. It happened very quickly. Literally within 5 minutes it will be very quiet. There are some bees here waiting. So basically, they're waiting for their turn to go in the hive. You can see here. Let's look inside. It's all calm here. So it's this second box here. But I'm coming in their way. I'm not letting them go.
I will post the part 2 tomorrow, so stay tuned
Okay, I'll
until
come
my
back in
next
another
video.
5 minutes.